Whoopsie. Yo, what's going on everyone? This is James. Welcome back to GRIFFINGFX. In today's video we have a promised video from a while ago. If you remember watching the how to make a logo like King Jediah, then this video is going to be for you. I'm not going to title it that because I've already done one titled that was just sort of a sneak peek of what's to come. Now this video isn't a tutorial, it's more of a speed up, but this is how I think he does his artwork. So I wanted to apologise because in the previous video I'd claimed that he used some kind of filter to get him like half the way, but upon looking at more of his work and having a play myself, I actually think he repaints the entire thing. So huge credit to King Jediah. If you don't know who he is, click here. A shout out to Lil Gatsby for the music in this video. He's on SoundCloud, he has some really nice lo-fi bangers, just chill vibes. So yeah, definitely go check him out. Plug my merch, best merch in the game. It's not even merch, it's a separate clothing brand, but I've been plugging it on YouTube because I started making loads of streetwear videos. So if you guys are interested, go to my Depop or go to my Instagram, use code subscriber. Just send me that message that you're a subscriber and I'll discount you. Anyway guys, onto this video. I used a drawing tablet and a pen tool. I got a nice image of Lil Peep, but it was in black and white, so I then got reference images of Lil Peep's skin tone and that kind of thing to get an idea for lighting. I did a drawing first, like with just the drawing tablet, like a pen outline or a pencil outline, then went over it, and then after doing all the shading and stuff, which is just like gradient work and soft brushes, I decided to like go over it with sort of small details on the pen tool, because that's kind of the effect he goes for. It's like a vector cartoon painting over the top of a kind of realistic image. And then yeah, just like some visual effects, because he's always covering his images in visual effects. So I did a halo that I'd seen him do a while back. Oh yeah, the background's like some kind of rainforest, which is just an image and then some sparkles coming off it. Yeah, you guys get the idea. I hope you enjoy this video. And let me know what you want to see in the next video. I'm always taking suggestions. Actually guys, I already know what one of my videos is going to be quite soon. It's going to be a graphic designer shout out, not even just like artists, any sort of social media artists. No matter how big or how small you are, get in touch with me, send me your work. You don't have to have a big portfolio. I'm looking for sort of people that are promising but aren't already particularly big, so it doesn't matter how small you are, just hit me up. I'm going to be doing a shout out. I'm going to be talking about people that I already know and like, and then some new people that I've discovered from announcing this video. So yeah, get in touch if you want a chance to sort of be featured on my channel. Anyway guys, enjoy the rest of this video. That is me out, no face cam and stuff, no tutorial, but once again, the last video got 50 likes, which has brought you to this video. If this video gets 100 likes, I will make a real-time tutorial on this style of artwork. That is it guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Ding dong.
Okay. you.